Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're exploring the MSI Prestige A16 AI Plus, a business-oriented laptop that brings powerful performance, stunning visuals, and the latest in AI-driven computing. If you're in the market for a sleek, high-performance machine, stick around as we break down whether this could be the right fit for you. The MSI Prestige A16 AI Plus is designed for professionals who need a balance between productivity and creativity, featuring an AMD Ryzen AI 9365 processor with integrated Radeon Graphics. This combination promises impressive multitasking power, and with 32 GB of LPDDR5x RAM, the laptop ensures smooth performance even under heavy workloads. You'll also find a generous 1TB NVMe SSD, which offers both speed and ample storage space for all your work-related files, videos, and projects. Let's talk about that display. This laptop is equipped with a 16-inch UHD OLED panel, which produces vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast. The high-quality OLED screen brings media consumption, whether it's streaming or photo editing, to a whole new level. Whether you're watching movies or designing graphics, the sharpness and color accuracy are fantastic. Coupled with a refresh rate that will handle most tasks comfortably, it's a significant upgrade from your standard LCD screen. When it comes to connectivity, this laptop is fully equipped. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 means you can enjoy lightning-fast download and streaming speeds, perfect for anyone who needs to transfer large files quickly. There's also a Type-C port for efficient data transfer and charging. And with the latest wireless technology, you'll be ready for almost anything in terms of connectivity. In terms of performance, the Ryzen AI 9 processor is geared towards optimizing multitasking and providing intelligent AI enhancements to your workflow. Whether you're using AI-driven applications or running multiple programs at once, the system responds quickly. The Radeon Graphics add decent visual performance for casual gaming and graphic tasks, although it's not quite at the level of high-end gaming laptops. For everyday office work, media consumption, and content creation, though, it handles everything with ease. As for real-world use, the MSI Prestige A16 AI Plus excels in office productivity, whether you're running spreadsheets, handling email, or taking video calls. The laptop wakes up quickly from sleep, and the trackpad offers responsive, smooth navigation. During longer sessions, I found the keyboard to be comfortable, with solid key travel, making it great for typing out long reports or writing emails. That said, I do wish there was a number pad, especially for business use. When it comes to media consumption, this laptop truly shines. The OLED display makes everything look fantastic, from high-definition video to photo editing. The color accuracy is impressive, making it a solid option for content creators who need accurate visuals for design or photo work. Streaming is seamless, and the audio quality, though not the best in class, is more than adequate for video conferences and casual watching. In terms of thermals, the A16 AI Plus handles light to moderate tasks without getting too warm, but you might notice some heat buildup during more demanding tasks like video editing or gaming. The fan noise remains fairly quiet during lighter use, but can get a bit more noticeable during heavy tasks. If you're doing long creative sessions or gaming, you may notice some thermal throttling, but it's not drastic, just something to keep in mind for extended workloads. Now, let's talk about battery life. The 16-inch UHD OLED display is gorgeous, but it does eat up more power than typical IPS panels. With moderate use, you can expect around 6 to 7 hours of battery life, which is decent for office tasks and light media consumption. For heavier work, such as video rendering or gaming, that number drops considerably. The laptop does charge quickly though, so a short break can give you enough power to keep going. At 4.2 pounds and with a slim profile, this laptop is reasonably portable for its size. While it's not the lightest ultra-portable in its class, it's thin enough to carry around daily without much hassle. The build quality is solid, with a premium aluminum chassis that feels durable without being overly heavy. As for ports, MSI offers a good selection. There are USB-A and USB-C ports, along with HDMI for easy external monitor connections. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 ensures you're prepared for the latest wireless standards. And there's an SD card reader for quick file transfers from cameras or other devices. However, the lack of Ethernet is a bit of a drawback for those who need wired internet access. The RAM and storage are not upgradable, so you'll need to be comfortable with the configuration you choose. But the 32 gigabits of RAM and 1 terabyte SSD are more than enough for most business tasks and some creative workloads. In terms of value for money, this laptop offers solid performance, a beautiful display, and useful AI integration, but it does come at a premium. If you're primarily using your laptop for office work or creative tasks, it's a great option, though it might be a bit overkill for casual users. Compared to competitors, it holds its own in the display and processing power categories, but if you're looking for top-tier gaming performance, you may want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, the MSI Prestige A16 AI Plus is a well-rounded business laptop with AI enhancements, excellent display quality, and solid performance for multitasking and media consumption. It's perfect for professionals who need a powerful machine for office work, content creation, and light gaming. If you're in the market for a laptop that offers a great display and good all-around performance, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you're considering the MSI Prestige A16 AI Plus, check the comments box for more details and to see where you can grab it. Let me know your thoughts, or if you already own this laptop, I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV. And remember, life's too short for slow laptops.